The procedure for servicing both drum and disc brake hub bearings is identical. Both types will feature in this demonstration. In preparation for servicing wheel hub bearings, the road wheel is removed and the vehicle supported on proper axle stands. A suitable container should be available in which all components are kept during the overhaul operation. Proceed by removing the bearing cap or cover. Wipe off any surplus grease in order to locate the retainer nut and its locking device. Remove or slacken the nut locking device. And then turn off the retaining nut. Remove the retainer and the outer cone. The hub or disc assembly must be supported to prevent it falling. Slide the hub off the stub axle carefully. Avoid scraping the threads as you do this. Make sure all removed parts are together in the parts tray and keep them separate from any other parts. After the break, we shall discuss final stripping and inspection procedures.